Lila, he began, I want to offer you a profound apology for what you and your family have endured. He took a deep breath. It appears that another person stole the tests, then launched a campaign on the web and cell phones to see that you were blamed. But who was it, Mr. August? Who could do such a mean-spirited thing? My mom was all teary. The person is a minor, and I can't say. Just believe the matter is being handled, Mr. August answered. How did you discover the truth? My father asked. A student came forward that saw the theft. He looked at me. It cleared you, Lila, completely. I saw Jamie that night. It was a Friday. I could hardly wait. Jamie! Someone saw who stole the test! Jamie smiled. I know, Lila. It was me. I was in the wardroom getting attendance slips and saw Gage slip in. I must have left the door open or she was watching me. Anyway, she was in and out so fast I didn't think anything of it then. But it was when I came back from Grandma's funeral and you told me the trouble you were in that I began to put two and two together. I still wasn't sure, but I told Mr. August and I showed him how to trace the messages. Oh, Jamie, you saved my life. I hugged him. Tracing the messages to her proves that Gage started the whole thing, Jamie said proudly. He really was my best friend. A lot of things happened after that. No more cell phones in class, laptops only for studying, but the kids didn't suddenly love me again. Nothing is going to change, Jack said. Everybody will just go around underground. What about when school is in session? No one can stop kids from using their cell phones and laptops. To avoid suspension, Gage had to publicly admit what she did. She had to apologize on her cell phone and Facebook too. But somehow, I feared her apology would be lame. We'll see. She could still convince everyone that she was forced into being humiliated by me and Jamie. I had heard of a scapegoat before. Now I knew what it was to be one. Jamie says that pathetic kids like Gage will always be looking for someone to go after. My dad said, think about it, Lila. In order for people like Gage's candle to glow brighter, she has to blow out yours. But I have a decision to make. Should Jamie and I go back to school? Hope for the best? Or should we go to another? What would you do?